Hello, students. वेलकम टू नाजविला. आज हम एक टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डू एज डायरेक्टेड. आई गेस टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस सबको पता होगा दैट देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस और एग्जामिनेशन में तुम्हें आपस में इन 4 सेंटेंसेस को इंटरचेंज करना होता है. यू हैव टू इंटरचेंज दिस 4 सेंटेंसेस विथ ईच अदर अंडर द सेक्शन डू एज डायरेक्टेड. Today we will be discussing changing an assertive sentence into interrogative and interrogative sentence into assertive. Assertive sentence means a simple sentence that ends with a full stop. कोई भी simple sentence जो full stop से end होता है उसे assertive कहते हैं. Interrogative sentence means any sentence which consists of a question and a question mark at the end. कोई भी question sentence है या question mark sentence है तो उसे interrogative sentence कहा जाएगा. There is one common rule that you have to follow, and the rule is this. I guess you can see it properly. Yes, the rule here says that you have to change the sentences. You have to change the formation of the sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. इस rule को side में लिख लो, अपनी notebook में लिख लो, so that you remember it. That whenever you are doing do as directed, तुम्हें change सेंटेंस की फॉर्मेशन को चेंज करना है पर उस सेंटेंस का मतलब जो है वो चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई गेस यू नो दिस वन. सो लेट्स गेट बैक टू आवर टॉपिक जो हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो assertive टू इंटरोगेटिव, इंटरोगेटिव टू assertive. सो whenever वी आर डीलिंग विथ assertive एंड इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, इसके एक स्पेसिफिक रूल है जो हमें याद रखना होता है. दैट इज टू इंटरचेंज assertive and interrogative sentence we have to make use of not या negative word है उसका हमें यूज़ करना होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी हियर, मैंने नीचे रूल 1 by 1 मैंने रूल लिखे हैं कि अगर assertive sentence में not है, if an assertive sentence has not, when you are turning it into an interrogative sentence you have to remove the not. When an assertive sentence does not have a not, when that time when you are converting it into an interrogative sentence you will add not into it. In the same way whenever you are changing an interrogative into assertive, तो जैसे interrogative sentence में not है तो assertive sentence में से तुम्हें उसे remove कर देना है. अगर interrogative sentence में not नहीं है तो तुम्हें assertive sentence में उसे add कर देना है. इस rule को भी साइड अपनी बुक में नोट कर लो. Write this down so that you remember it. और इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दिस, तुम्हारे डाउट जो है वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे आफ्टर वी डू एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ईच वन ऑफ इट. सो हियर इज द एग्जाम्पल. वाई डू यू डू दिस? ओके, यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस एंड इसी तरह से एग्जाम में दिया होगा. देर विल बी अ क्वेश्चन गिवन टू यू इन द ब्रैकेट, देर विल बी इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन टू यू दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू चेंज द सेंटेंस इनटू. Why do you do this? Now it is an interrogative sentence. You have to make it into assertive, and you can see कि वहाँ पे not नहीं है. Okay, there is no not in the sentence. तो जब हम उसे change करते हैं तब हमें इसमें not add करना है. You can see I have underlined it also. You should not do this. Why do you do this? You should not do this. You can see the second example. Why aren't you wearing shoes? Why aren't? Okay, so aren't is a negative word. not यहाँ पे यूज़ किया हुआ है तो अब हम जब क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस को assertive बनाएंगे तो इस not को यहाँ से हटा देंगे. Why aren't you wearing shoes? So you should be wearing shoes. That is the correct answer. I guess first और second example दोनों देख लिए होंगे. Why do you not do this? You should not do this. Why aren't you wearing shoes? उसमें not दिया है तो जब हमने उसे assertive में change किया तो हमने not को हटा दिया. You should be wearing shoes. I hope you have already understood that how to change an interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence. So now I am giving you an example how to change assertive to interrogative. See here, the business was not specially profitable. Make it interrogative. सो अब सेंटेंस में मैंने जैसे रूल पहले बताया था, यू कैन सी ये जो रूल मैंने लिखवाया था और एक्सप्लेन किया था यही रूल तुम्हें यहाँ पर अप्लाई करना है. यू हैव टू अप्लाई द सेम रूल व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द सॉल्यूशन. There is not given in the sentence in the first example, so you have to remove the not from the sentence. The business was not specially profitable, so you have to remove the not and you have to make the sentence into question. Was the business specially profitable? Here you can make use of helping verbs like is, was, auxiliary verbs होते हैं, उनका यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम interrogative बनाने के लिए. The business was not specially profitable, so was the business specially profitable? And put a question mark. Do not forget to put a question mark when you are dealing with interrogative sentence. One more example I have given you. So now you have to remove the not from the sentence to change the sentence into interrogative. So it is not my fault. Is it my fault? And then put a question mark. Now we'll do another solution for do as directed. He shuffles his feet. Now you can see here in the question there is no negative word used. There is no not, there is no used in the sentence. So now when you will be doing the solution for it, we will make use of a negative word. I have made use of doesn't. Doesn't he shuffles his feet? Okay, if the sentence is in present tense, that is why I'm making use of doesn't. You can also make use of did if the sentence is in past tense. You can also make use of do as per the requirement of the sentence. And then you will get the answer like here. Doesn't he shuffle his feet? Then put a question mark. Sentence को question में convert करना है और use of negative word ये याद रखना है. That's it, and you will be easily able to do the solution from assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive sentence. I hope you like the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and watch out all the other videos of Naz Villa Academy. All the grammar solutions that you need is uploaded here only. And thank you.